Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Treyank Manmoji. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 lines on birds. So let's start about birds. Birds are very beautiful in looking. Birds have two legs, two wings, two eyes and a beak. Their wings are covered with feathers. Birds lay eggs in their nest. There are some birds that live in the water like herons, goose, penguins, etc. Kiwi is the only bird in the world that has no wings. Birds eat insects, fish, rice, etc. There are various types of birds found in nature. My favorite bird is the parrot. Many species of birds are in disappeared due to climate change and human hunting. We should take the necessary steps on our end to protect the birds around us. Thank you, friends.